Beneficial bacterial blend. Replenishes beneficial bacteria to help filter pollutants in aquarium water. Biological balance. Works to keep your aquarium healthy and biologically balanced. For supercharged filtration, cleans gravel and removes sludge and ammonia. Convenient. Use the cap to measure and dose. Usage. Use monthly or when setting up a new aquarium, after a water or filter change, or when adding new fish to ensure healthy water conditions. Top reviews from the United States. Blue-green algae, cyanobacter. I'd been having a terrible problem with blue-green algae, BGA, in my 20-long tank. I'd tried everything, including multiple rounds of erythromycin. It would go away for a few days, but would come back even worse. I was afraid to try this product after reading the reviews that said it killed fish, but tried it anyway as a last resort. My thinking was that maybe the cleaning bacteria would outcompete the cyanobacter. All I can say is wow. I don't know how it works, but my tank has been clear for a month and looks better than ever. When I vacuum the gravel, way less stuff gets sucked out, so the product must be eating it. I noticed no problems at all with my fish, and most are small rasboras, typically sensitive to changes. If you have BGA problems, try it.